In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up tags for your guests in event programming. Let's jump into the platform and take a look. After logging in, go to the event programming section of the toolbar and select Guest. Here you will see a list of any previously created guests. Tags can be used to organize and filter your guests from within the platform. There are a few ways to create tags. You can create tags when adding new guests. You can also create tags by editing an existing guest entry. Tags can also be created and managed by going to Options and selecting Manage Tags. For this example, we're going to edit an existing guest. Edit the guest's personal information and go to the Tags section. Give the tag a name in the title field. Once the tag is created, you can associate it with other guests.